this is Cheryl Bruedigam with Stylist Santa Fe. Thanks for joining me.
Wow, really? Cami colors, cami prints, and Santa Fe style? I'm going to show you how to pull this off. My daughter makes these shirts and she sent one to me and it is amazing. It's got the cami colors, it's got fringe, and she really does a lot of detail. The back is also cut out, like the sleeves are cut out. Came across this skirt in the green cami color, kind of greenish gray, and it matches perfectly. I paired this with a pair of wooden heels and jewelry from my shop, designs by Cheryl B in similar tones, and so I put this all together into a really amazing look for Santa Fe style. Now I'm also going to show you an alternative with this blouse because it is so unique. So hang on. An alternative would be a pair of cami pants. My daughter sent me these pants and I thought, wow, those are so cool, but how am I going to put them together with one of my looks? And then it wasn't too long later that she sent me this top, and I don't think she had the two in mind, but I put them together and they work perfectly for me. So again, you can wear them with the wooden heels. Of course, a boot in similar tones, a beige boot would look really great. You're going to want to add some bracelets, and many of these styles are also available in my shop, and you've probably got some stacked bracelets of your own that would really enhance an outfit like this. If you like this look with these type of a top, you can easily do this yourself or something similar using bleach or tie-dye, and then cutting in the fringe or any details that you'd like to add. And if you don't want to mess with it, you can pick one of these up from my daughter's boutique, Dreaming with Joe, and I'll have the link to that in the video description. And some more about the jewelry. This is one of my shell necklaces, sand dollar, and also a hand crocheted lace Victorian choker with an impression jasper gemstone in the same tones. So that really makes a great look. And so when you put it all together, you've got cami and Santa Fe style. I love it. I hope you do too. I hope you had fun today. I know I did. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and comment and share my videos if you enjoy my tips. Thanks so much. See you next time.